Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a very different video, an educational video that, trust me on that, you need to stick out because it is going to help you so much into trading. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. I have been working in the crypto market and on professional trading since 2020 and on trading since 2018. So trust me on that. I know how the market works and I pretty much know the emotions. Of course, I have much more to learn and I will continue to learn. And thank you for giving me the opportunity. For those that follow me, that hit the like button, that watch the videos so I can continue this work. Of course, I would like this channel to grow more, but eventually I know that it is difficult to grow into a very fast pace, especially when you tell the truth to the audience. Let's go right now and see some very beautiful things about the leverage. What are you going to do? What you need to expect? Okay, first of all, we need to see some bullet points. I have prepared some bullet points. In general, these are the keywords to describe why you should avoid getting high leverage trades. First of all, high leverage makes you panic a lot. And this is the number one that why you should not be using high leverage. For example, let's say that you are into a trade, right? We are going into Bitcoin and we are going into lower time frames. And you're thinking that, oh, we are here and I'm going into a long position with a 10x or 20x even leverage. And you're thinking that from here, Bitcoin is going upwards. You might be right. Okay, you might be right, Bitcoin could be going upwards. However, we have always seen in the crypto market that before Bitcoin will be going higher and you are going to get a very nice profit target. For example, let's say that it pumps 1%. If you have a 20x, this is a 20% profit target. Okay, but however, we have always seen that it could be the case that we have a very good correction to the downside and then you pump. Now, what happens if you have a 20x instead of a 3x or 1x, for example? If you have 20x, this price action is something very healthy for the crypto market. The fact that you are going to go a little bit further down and then up, it is very healthy. Sorry for that. I do not know what to say, but my mouth just couldn't speak anyway. So we have this, if we have this price action minus 0.64%, this would be very healthy. What happens in the crypto market though, and why if you have 20x, it is that you are panicking with the 20x because you are thinking that you're losing a 15%, especially when you have put a very huge capital in there. For example, there are people that are putting 10,000 Tether USD into a 20x leverage price, right? And you're down 1,500. What you're thinking of there, it is that I'm going to exit the market before the loss is huge, right? Before I'm going right here, and before I do that, I'm going to exit the market because I do not want to lose more. And you are down minus 1,500%. Now, if you had the 3x and you were here, okay, sitting at a minus 0.64, you would only lose a minus 2% around there, let's say, okay? With this could be the case that it is nothing and you wouldn't close the price because eventually a minus 2%, it's very, very different than a minus 20x, in which it would be the case you would be down a minus 15% around there, okay? So of course, this is why when you panic, you make the wrong decisions. And then whenever you exit, you will always see the case that you exit at the wrong time and then the price goes up. And of course, you would be in profits. If you had a low leverage, you wouldn't panic at all. And if you were confident on your trading, then you would get it right. Okay, so I'm going down onto the first bullet. Okay, I'm going into the second bullet. And this is where I want to point out. It is impossible to find the exact top or bottom. And this is a little bit, I had it on the second point because it is quite similar to the first one. And I will be explaining why. You cannot find the bottom or the top. I am here. Okay, Bitcoin, probably it is going, if you want, for example, to take a long position, you might be going in here. or here. Okay, it is very hard for someone to say that, oh, I'm going to this bottom, I'm going to long it right here and eventually get this very huge amount. Because if you had it, then you could be using a high leverage, right? But at the end of the day, you are, or am I, going around here for a long position? I might be going here for a long position, and instead Bitcoin does something like this and then it goes upwards and I am on the profits. But it is very hard to find the exact top or bottom. And this is another reason why you shouldn't be using high leverage, or you should be using 1x leverage, which is no leverage, okay? The reason is very, very simple. If you cannot find the top, you won't be getting into a short position without seeing losses in your portfolio first. And losses, it doesn't mean that you take the losses out. It means that virtually you have been in a loss. But if you are confident enough that you are in a loss and then this will go into profits, for example, if you take a short position, then yeah, if it goes up, you are in a loss. But if you are very confident enough that Bitcoin, for example, you enter a short position right here, and Bitcoin is going up plus 0.75% and then it goes down, you're very confident enough that this whole thing right here will go into the downside and then you're going to take profits. But at this phase, if you have a 50x leverage or a 40x or a 30x, you are going to exit because you do not want to lose much more and you are thinking maybe then I have made the wrong decision and I haven't seen something that I should have seen. Okay, it always happens into the market and when you trade. So you never find the exact top or the exact bottom, and this is why you panic more afterwards. Okay, now the third point is what I wanted to share. You might be lucky, this is what I wanted, not luck. You might be lucky and win 5x trades, but you can lose it all. So for example, let's say that you are here, okay, and this is why I will be telling you the fourth point, okay. So you're here and you're going into a Bitcoin long position around there. And you're having like a 50x, okay? And you're getting a plus 20%. This means 20%, 5x20 is 100, okay? So you're getting a 2x. Let's say that you're getting a 2x, or you're having you're having a 50x. Let's assume that you're having a 50x. So you're getting 1000, right? Which means that it is 11x. Then you're saying that, oh, I made easy money. Easy money. While you took the wrong guess and you took the wrong position, you took easy money. But what you're going to do after it is simply you're going to repeat that, right? You're addictive right now into the leverage. You're going to repeat the 50x, but instead of getting it, let's say that you long again Bitcoin, you are going to see Bitcoin's price crumbling down like a minus 10% or so, and you have a 50x, right? The case right now is that if you had an 11x, of course you're getting with, let's say, a 5,000 Tether USD capital, you would be getting more than 50,000 Tether USD, and this would be very nice for you. But if you did that again and you had a 50x, it only takes a minus 2% to lose it all, because then you would lose a minus 100% of your total portfolio. Let's say that you put it again, the 50,000 into the long, and then you lose it all. This is what happens with many crypto addiction right here with leverage. Okay, this is what happens with the crypto market. Okay, you lose it all. Sometimes it happens and you're going to lose all of it. Okay, no matter the case, you're going to lose every single one of them. I'm going back because I think I removed the drawings right here. Probably this is the case, right? Okay, I'm going back a little bit to show you another reason why you should be using leverage. It is very addictive. I do not know where my bullet's gone, but anyway, the fourth bullet and the last one I want to share is that high leverage is crazily addictive. And you could be in the case that you are going into a long position and you have a high leverage and you win, And then this is the addiction coming in, because you're thinking that I'm going to make in just one day very quick profits and I'm going to win a plus 20x or like 11x and then I'm going out. But the case right here is that you are never going to get it. In order for you to succeed, it is the case that you only use a 3x or maximum, I'm saying that, maximum 5x depending on your capital, or the best part is not to use leverage at all. Trust me on that. Money is built onto patience. Patience is the key for success in the crypto market, and not only. If you take any successful trader that made from some bucks millions, it was because they invested it and not because they used a high leverage into just one day and they were expecting that, oh, we are going higher, right? This is the key point right now. I want you to pay close attention to this video because, and always remember Bill's words, there will be one time where you might gain it all, but there will be one time where you will lose it all. And you will go to despair because losing your investments means that many problems are coming out of your life. And trust me on that, crypto market is not something that you want to risk so much. We have crazy volatility and stop losses can hit in no time. For example, you think that Bitcoin is going upwards, like I do in the next few days, but there might be something, any news, any kind of news that might push the price very quickly down and then it might get it upwards. So you want to always make sure we do not have any Fed meeting when you trade, or when you trade, you have the Fed meeting a little bit after. Okay, so when we have the Fed meeting, you trade after it ends. Okay, we have the news, pay attention to the news, pay attention to the trading, and do not use high leverage. Patience is the key for success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you a lot into controlling your mindset into winning, because your mindset is what takes you off from winning trades. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.